Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to downgrade your Hostinger plan. First, you need to log in to your Hostinger account. Now, from this welcoming page, by the way, unlike upgrading your Hostinger plan, there is no option to automatically or directly downgrade your hosting plan. Your only way is to contact the customer support. To do that, simply click on this little icon. This is the icon you need to click on it, and you will arrive to this page. And from this page, select billing as your topic, then the Hostinger plan you want to downgrade as your subscription. Click on Start a Live Chat. Click on this Send Us a Message. And you can write, "Hi, I want to downgrade my business plan to premium plan." From my experience, they will ask you for your business or the current plan payment ID. How to get this little information? It's simple. Just go to from this left side menu, click on billing, then select payment history. Make sure to read the service, and next to the business web hosting plan or your current host or the hosting plan you want to downgrade, copy the payment ID from this list. Copy, and you can write my business plan payment ID. And now just hit enter, and you will start a conversation with the one of the customer support team that will help you or downgrade your account for you. Useful questions that you may ask for during this conversation include the new expiration date, the new plan renewal price. If you don't have time to keep chatting with a support agent using this little window, you can just write a completed or a well-detailed email message and send it to the Hostinger customer support email address. Customer email. And this is it, support@hostinger.com. If you don't know what to write them, or if you need help writing your downgrade email message, you can use ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT, "I want to downgrade my Hostinger account from business plan to premium. This is my business plan payment ID. I want to know these information. New expiration date, new plan renewal price, refunded amount." Yes, and hit enter. ChatGPT tried to explain me how to do it. I forgot to ask him or write me an email message. I forgot to ask you to write me an email message. Here is a professional email or a draft email message that you can use. This is the subject line: request to downgrade my Hostinger plan. And the message is, dear hostinger support team, I hope this email finds you well. I am writing to request assistance with downgrading my current hostinger business plan to the premium plan. Below are the details of my current plan, payment ID. I would appreciate it if you could provide me with the following information after processing the downgrade: the new expiration date of my account, the renewal price per month for the premium plan, the refunded amount if applicable. Please let me know if you need any additional information to process this request. Thank you for your support, and I look forward to your response. Best regards, your name. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about hosting a website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with hosting a website builder, how to set up and design your website inside hosting a website builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger website builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. This is a well-written email message that you can send to this email address. And this is how to downgrade your Hostinger plan. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.